Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fantastic product that promises to elevate your nail game right from the comfort of your home. We stumbled upon the Sally Hansen Salon Pro Gel Starter Kit, and we've included a link in the description below so you can check out the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Sally Hansen Salon Pro Gel Starter Kit is designed for those who love the look of a professional gel manicure but want to save time and money by doing it themselves. This kit essentially gives you the tools you need to achieve salon-quality nails without stepping foot outside your door. With this kit, you can create up to 10 gel manicures, allowing you to experiment with different shades and styles. One of the standout features of this kit is its user-friendly design. It includes everything you need to get started: a LED lamp, base coat, top coat, and a selection of gel polishes. The LED lamp is compact yet powerful, ensuring that your polish cures quickly and effectively, providing that long-lasting finish we all desire. The full range of Sally Hansen Gel Polish works seamlessly with the starter kit, which means you have a wide array of colors and finishes to choose from. So, who is this kit suitable for? Well, it's perfect for anyone who enjoys doing their nails, whether you're a beginner or someone with a bit more experience. If you're someone who prefers to have perfectly polished nails without the salon visit, this kit is tailored for you. It's also great for those who love to change their nail color frequently or for special occasions, making it a versatile addition to your beauty arsenal. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Picture this: it's Friday evening, and you have plans to go out but no time to visit a nail salon. With the Sally Hansen Salon Pro Gel Starter Kit, you can quickly apply your favorite gel polish and cure it under the LED lamp in just minutes. You can also use this kit to create beautiful nail art at home. Whether you're looking to create intricate designs or just want a simple, elegant finish, the possibilities are endless. For those who might be hesitant about gel manicures due to the removal process, Sally Hansen has you covered. The kit also includes detailed instructions on how to properly remove the gel polish without damaging your natural nails. This ensures that your nails stay healthy and strong, even after multiple applications. In terms of longevity, the gel polish provides a durable finish that can withstand daily wear and tear, making it perfect for busy individuals or those with active lifestyles. You'll find that your manicure stays chip-free for weeks, giving you that just-done salon look for longer. Overall, the Sally Hansen Salon Pro Gel Starter Kit is a fantastic investment for anyone looking to achieve beautiful, long-lasting manicures at home. It combines ease of use with professional results, making it a go-to for nail enthusiasts. Plus, with the variety of colors and designs available, you can always keep your nails fresh and stylish. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.